In this video, I would like to show you how to create a PDF file of all your tax bills. The reason you want to create a PDF file is that for any time in the future, you want to reprint a bill exactly as it is at the time of the billing. You'll want to create this file. To begin, we're going to create a folder on your desktop, which you can put your file into. Because each billing, you can go ahead and create a new one, name it, and put it in this folder. So eventually, you will have multiple tax bills from each warrant in there. To begin, we're going to minimize collect. Now you will put yourself in any blank space on your desktop, right-click, go to New, and Folder. This creates the folder which we're going to put our bills into. We need to name it. I'm going to call mine Tax Bills. Now that we have our folder, we're going to open up our program. We're going to go to Utilities, Print Tax Bills. The best time to do this is right when you're doing the process of printing your tax bills. So you've imported your warrant, you've assigned your credits to the warrant, and now you're ready to print your bills. Select your warrant. Click Next. Make any changes. Don't forget, you can also include a custom message. Click Next. Make sure you change your print date to the date you're going to be mailing these. And before I hit print, for the collectors who actually export their bills to a company to print, you can still follow the same format. You can export your bills, send off your file, and then follow the same procedures that we're doing here, except you won't print your bills. Click Print. And we have our bills on the screen. We have the new style bill here. Some of you may see the old style. If you are printing your bills yourself in-house, you would click on the printer icon and print your bills. Once they've all printed, we'll click on the Export button, which is this little envelope. We're going to leave it as the Acrobat format PDF in this file. By leaving it as a PDF, it means that we can't change the information, which is very important because you do not want anyone changing the bills. The purpose of this file is to be able to reprint a bill exactly as it is right now. So we click OK. We want to do all pages. Click OK. This says, where do you want this file? We're going to click on Desktop, and we're going to locate just the folder that we just created. Here it is. Double click. And now we need to go down and name it. This is our 2010 PO1 tax bills. And I click Save. It is now exporting all your bills to that folder. This can take a little while depending on the size and the amount of bills that you have to export. Once it is done, it'll bring you back to your main screen. You can close this print screen and close the print setup. Now minimize collect. And I want you to open up the tax bill folder. And there are your 2010 PO1 tax bills. When you open up this file, it will bring you an exact duplicate page for page of each bill that you have. The importance of this is that you can always reprint that bill at any time, especially when the low to moderate income information comes out from the state and all your customers need to come in and get exact copies of their tax bills. This will make it a fast and easy process for you to be able to reprint the exact bill for them. And that ends the process.